So now now we are going to see about the soft link and the hard link. So before I start that, I would like to introduce you with the inode. So inode is an index node, which is a data structure that stores a metadata about a file or a directory. Every file and directory on the file system is associated with an inode. Basically, inode is what? It is the index number of the particular file. Look, we are humans, so we understand our each and languages, but computer doesn't understand the our language. Computer understands only in the number, in the binary. So basically, what do computer do when we create a file in our system? It basically allocate each and every number, which is also called as an inode, to every file. For example, I am creating an test.txt file, so that file has a unique inode number. So whenever we try to retrieve or fetch the file from from your Linux terminal or wherever the operating system, it will retrieve through their number only, because that's how the computer understands the file's destination and the file's name, file's inode number. So that's how inode number is associated with the file system. So now we will talk about the soft link and the hard link. So the soft link is basically a symbolic link. A soft link, also known as a symbolic link or a sim link, is a special type of a file that points to another file or a directory. It acts as a shortcut or a reference to the target file. Soft links are represented as a separate files with their own inodes and file name. If the original file or a directory is moved or renamed, the soft link still points to the original location. Soft links can also reference file or a directory on a different file system. So it's like that soft link is connected to the file, and that file is connected to the inode. So if I delete the soft link, sorry, if I delete the main content of the file, then the whole content of the file will also directly remove from the soft link also. The link will be still there, but the content of that file will not be there no longer if we deleted the original content. Whereas the hard link is different. A hard link is a direct reference to a file or a directory. Unlike a soft link, a hard link is a separate entry in the file system that points to the same inode, data and a metadata as the original file or a directory. In other words, multiple hard links to the same file are essentially multiple names for the same data. If you delete one hard link, the file data remains accessible to other hard links, as long as at least one hard link to the file exists. Hard links cannot reference the directories or a file on a different file system. Basically, what it is saying that hard link is not directly connected to your file system. It is connected to your file system's inode number. For example, let me show you in my terminal. Let me log in my terminal first. Yeah, so we are on right now in my Linux terminal. So what I will do, I will just type a command to see the inode number. To see the inode number, we have to simply add I in over the last command of the line. So for example, I am putting this ls minus ltri. After entering it, you can see it is showing me this number. So these numbers are basically represent the inode numbers of your each and every file. You can see those are the unique than the others files name. So for example, if I'm taking this one, this is the directory, actually not a file. So the directory has its own inode number, and this yellow one, those are the files. They have their own inode number. As you can see, these are the inode numbers which is assigned to the particular file. So this is how inode number actually works. So if I created a hard link of this, then the hard link will be directly connected to his to the file, to the file's inode number, not to the file. But if I created the soft link, that soft link will be directly connected to the file, and that file will connected to the uh, our inode number. Now let me show you the demonstration first, then we will move on there, then we'll move further next. So before that, I will try to clear this one. Now we will first see the demonstration of the soft link. So for that, I will just try to create a file in my home directory only. So for example, I am creating a file with the name of hero, right? So you can see it has been created. Now I will first confirm it whether it is created or not. So yeah, it is created here, you can see, and it is basically a dash. That means that it is the only normal file, right? So now I will move on my any directory from this. For example, I'm taking this directory. I will move in this cd linux. Yeah, so right now I'm in my linux directory, and in that linux you can see that it doesn't have okay, it has only one file in this directory, which is the name of the test. So now what I will do, I will create a soft link in this directory. So for that, to create a soft link, we need to write the command which is the ln minus s and space, give the name of the file which you want to create a soft link at. So I will give the path of the file. So my file is my home. For example, I'm taking the file which is the hero. So what I will do, I will give the path slash home slash shan slash hero, enter. So after entering it, you can see it has been created. To check that, we have to just write the command ls minus ltr, and you can see after typing the command, it shows that the hero is created here with the soft link. You can see it shows the soft link towards the home directory, and here the file type, you can see the first letter starts with the l, and as I told, that l basically stands for that the link has been created, right? So you can say this has been created. So now what I will try to do, I will go move again to my home directory, and in my home directory I will try to add some content in my hero file. So for that, I will use the command which is the echo. Through the echo command, you can append any kind of content in the file you want to do. For example, I'm taking this, hey, how are you? So this is my content which I will append to the file with the name of hero. So you just have to simply do this, and you have to give the enter. So I will just verify whether it is append to the file or not. So simply I will type the hero command so I can see whether it is appended. So yeah, it has been appended to my file hero, you can see. So now I will also verify from my Linux where I have created the soft link. So I will cat hero. So you can see in my Linux it has also simultaneously connected with my soft link. So when I type this command, and it is displayed the content which I had written in my home directory. So now what I will do, I will try to I will remove from my home directory the file which is the rm hero. So I'm in my home directory right now. If I want to see whether if I'm in my home directory or not, I simply type this command pwd, and I can see that right now I'm in my home directory. Now I will remove the file which is the name of the hero. After entering it, you can see it has been executed. Now I will see whether it is executed or not. So yeah, the hero file has been deleted from this home directory. So now we will see what has happened to our soft link in the Linux directory. Now I will apply the command ls minus ltr. So yeah, you can see that it has been showing this kind of highlighted area here. So that basically represent that our file has been removed from the home directory. If you want to see, you can basically type the command cat, and you can see whether it is removed or not. So you can see after typing the command, it shows that no such a file or directory has been in our this directory. The link is still there, but the content of the file has been gone because I had deleted from my home file. So this is how soft link actually work. So when you remove any kind of content or a file from your home directory, then it also affects to your soft link in the other directory too. So this was the about the soft link. Now I will going to show you about the hard link. So once again, what I will try to do, I will have to just remove from this also. I will remove it from this Linux directory also. So for that, I have to write the command. I will see whether it is removed or not. Okay, yeah, it has been removed. So now I will try to create the hard link in my home directory. So again, I will create a file with the same name hero, and also I will append some content there. Hey, it is hard link, enter. Now I will try to see whether it is okay, cat hero. Yeah, so you can see it has been appended in the file. The content has been added, which is the hey, it is the hard link. Now I will try to create the hard link in my Linux directory. So for that, the command is very simple. The main difference between them is you have to simply write only ln. In the soft link, we used to write the ln minus s, but in the hard link, you have to just write the ln space the path of your file, which is here shan slash name of the file. So yeah, you can see it has been created. If you want to see, then you have to simply write the command ltr, enter. So yeah, you can see it has been created the file here, but it is not showing the same thing which was showing in the soft link here, because that is the main difference between them. So when you create a hard link and you do the ls minus ltr command, so it won't show you just like the soft link, because it will be represent you as a simple normal file. But I will show you something with the command cat, that it has been created the link or not. So yeah, you can see that link has been created because I had typed the command cat in my linux directory. It is showing me the same content which I had added in my home directory. So now what I will do, I will try to remove this file in my home from my home directory. So simply I will try write the command rm, and I will simply try to remove from my home. So you can see it has been removed. If I want to verify it, I can simply write the command, and you can see the hero file is again removed from my home command, from my home. You can see it has been removed from here. So let me see, cat hero. Yeah, you can see in my home directory it is showing that hero is no such a file or directory. But now I will redirect myself towards the linux, and there I will be see whether it is removed or not. So I will try the command ls minus ltr, and you can see the file hero is still there. It is still there. After removing from the home directory, it is still there, and the content which I want to show, which is removed or not, let's just see. After entering it, you can see the content, it's still there. So the reason behind this, the content was still able to be exist there, because it is the hard link we had created. So that is the main use of the hard link. Because I had deleted the content from my home directory, but still it is showing us that the content about which I had created in my home directory, because of the hard link, it was possible to maintain the content which was deleted. So this was the about how to use the hard link and the soft link and the basic thing.